guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey all my KKs, all of my new KKs, all of my old KKs, I say welcome back to another payday wig day. This week I'm giving a shout out to one of my KKs, April G. I want to say thank you, love. I appreciate you. She was the first to comment on my very last video. Before we get started with today's video, you guys already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be subscribe to my channel. My channel. So make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. Like, I really do hope that you do like it. Now that that is all out of the way, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this unit. Okay? I don't know if it's Love Me or Luvme hair, but anyway, it came with a cute little purple ribbon on it. I haven't really been in a box. I haven't taken anything out of the box. We're going to be doing this together. So I know that you all have seen their ads on Facebook and on Instagram, these beautiful human hair wigs. Well, they reached out to your girl KK, and let me tell you, I got a discount code for my KKs. Indeed I do. My discount code is KK20, which will give you 20% discount off of the entire website. Now listen, I know that you all are used to me reviewing synthetic wigs, and this is, you know, this is a human hair wig, and I'm used to reviewing wigs that's, you know, $17, $20, probably no more than $40. Well, this is a little bit more expensive, but it's, you know, hopefully, you know, because I'm gonna be honest, it's going to be worth the money, and you know, it's something that you can invest in. Now I'm going to try to use every single thing that is in this box, so let's go ahead and open up this little cute little purple box. It says enjoy your hair journey from now on, Helena, the founder of Love Me Hair. Okay, so the unit comes in this cute little purple mesh bag with their logo on it. I'm loving that. And we have some other things in this box, so let's see. So I have this cute little pouch. Let's see what's in it. Okay, so I have a comb. We can definitely use this. So that's nice for them to give you a comb. So it's not like you're just spending all of this money, you know, on this wig and you're not getting anything but the wig. You know, they give you a cute little rat tail comb. It looks like I have some broken hair finishing cream, so I think that's one of them bars that you put on to, you know, lay the hairs down. So I'm definitely going to be using this. Okay, so it looks like they gave me one hair clip, which is nice. You always can use a clip, you know, to hold the hair back. Looks like I have an adjustable strap, I guess, if I wanted to, you know, sew it on to the back of the wig. Oh, I have another clip, and it's green, so they gave me pink and green. Oh look, they give you a pair of tweezers. So if you know, you into plucking apart and, you know, plucking out the front part, so it, you know, it looks more natural, they gave you a pair of tweezers. And they gave you some bobby pins. So all of that came in this cute little pouch. That is so cute. You can, you know, use this pouch when you're going out, you know, you hanging out. You can throw your lipsticks in here, or your brushes, or your powder, or whatever. So that's pretty neat. So they also gave me a wig cap. It's 2 pieces. They sent me an email telling me they was going to send me this little clip. I think it's cute. That was nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, and then it comes with this booklet, well, this little pamphlet. And it tells you how to care for the wig, how to wash the wig, how to, you know, how to use your hair with the wig, frequently asked questions, like. And then on the back, it tells you how to return and get a refund as well, and where to contact them, and about your refund, and so on and so forth. So far, I'm impressed. I've never received a wig that came with all of that. Okay, so here's the unit. Here's the inside construction of the cap. And here is the hairline of the unit. Here's the parting space of the unit. Now this unit does have a strap already sewn in. It has 2 combs in the, well, like on the side in the front, and it has a comb in the back. It has lace in the back, and it also has, of course, your lace in the front. I already knew with wigs like this, you would have to put some work in. It's not like a synthetic wig where it's already styled and you put it on your head. So I already knew that, you know, I was going to have to use my curling irons and so on and so forth, you know, to straighten this out. Now, normally I would, you know, wash my human hair wigs, but I just want to show you all what it's like straight on out the pack, plopping it right on your head. For those of you that is not into, you know, bleaching your knots, because I'm not, you know, plucking apart and all of that type stuff. You know, around here, we all about easy breezy. So let's get into it. This is what the hairline is looking like on this unit, and the lace. It's pretty decent to me. As you can see how you're gonna have to cut because of the ears. It feels good on my head. Parting space looks decent. Wow, it looks really good. Doesn't look like you can part this any other way, so it is going to be a left part wig, which is, you know, right on up my alley. Okay guys, so I have cut the lace off of her, and this is what she's looking like with the lace being cut off. But so far I'm really I'm liking it. So let me go ahead and zhuzh her up, and then let's really get into her. Okay. Here you have it. Shoot, I'm tired as hell, y'all. Like, this wig was a damn workout. You hear me? Let me just go ahead and rate her. Woo. There's no name for her. It's just a bob wig. So I'm just gonna go with Miss Love Me Hair. And I'm gonna give her 4.5 Ks. Yes. I used everything that was in the box other than the bobby pin. I love this little stick that they gave me. I'm going to use that all the time when I wear units. It really helps with the stray away hairs. This unit is, you know, it is big head friendly. It has the strap. It's very comfortable. It feels a little different for me. I'm not used to caps like this. But you know, it is secure. It has the combs, especially if you have a wig grip on. I said there's been no tangling. There's been no type of shedding at all whatsoever. I like the cut of it. You know, I like the style. I'm a bob girl. You know, it's a left part wig. I really do love the part in space. The part in space is really nice. It makes it look really natural. As I was flat on the hair, it actually just felt like I was flat on in my own hair. I felt like, you know, I used to actually wear my hair like this umpteen years ago, and I felt like, you know, I was getting ready for work or something, or I was going somewhere and I was just flat on in my hair. I will suggest not doing it on your head. I would suggest, if you have a mannequin head, taking it off and really flat on in each, you know, section really well. I didn't do that, so I felt like I had like a little hump up here, but I'm quite sure, you know, once I wash it and I really flat on it really good, it will lay down, you know, flat like I like it. The only reason why she didn't get 5Ks is it's work. You know what I'm saying? It's not like, and there's nothing wrong with that, you know, but I know, you know, a lot of my KKs, you know, we wear a lot of synthetic wigs. So with the synthetic wigs, you take it out the take it out the pack, you put it on your head, and it's pretty much styled, and you're going about your business. You can't do that with this type of wig. Like, you really have to style it, you know, flat on it. You know, it's human hair. You know, you got to put some elbow grease into this unit. You know what I mean? Like, you truly have to put some work into this unit. But I will say, I am thoroughly impressed with this wig. This unit will last a very long time. Let me see how much this unit costs. Okay, so the unit that I have is with deep side part ball wig, 13x6 lace frontal wig, and I have her in 10 inches, and this unit goes for $139.90. So you already know what we're going to do. We're just going to go ahead and round it off to $140. And to be honest with you, I really do think it's worth it, because it is a human hair wig. It does say it's 100% virgin hair from one donor, lasts for one year. The density is about 180%. The color that I have is 1B natural black, and this unit can be dyed, and I have her in the 22.5 inches standard, and it's the lace is Swiss medium brown. So with this unit, the reason why I say that is worth it is because it's going to last much longer. You know what I'm saying? Than a synthetic unit. It's going to last you for up to a year. You can wash it. You could dye it. You could do whatever the hell you want to do with it. You know what I mean? I'm curious to try like a curly unit from them. You know, for you ladies that, you know, want to, you know, glue her down and melt her down. She will really be cute. I mean, you could wear this hairstyle to work, you know, for a good little while. You know what I mean? Like, this is really cute. You can get it sewn in by your beautician, and it's going to last you. Like, I really am digging this unit. You know what? I've never changed a rating in the midst of rating the unit, but I'm going to go ahead and change the rating, and I'm going to go ahead and give her 5Ks. Yes. You know, now that I'm sitting here thinking about it, and I keep, you know, checking myself out in the mirror, she deserved 5Ks. I mean, come on. Everything that we got in the box, you know what I mean? I didn't want for nothing. I didn't want for nothing. They gave me everything that I needed in the box. I wanted to know if they were a legit company. Yes, they are a legit company. I love the unit. I will be getting more units, so they're more than welcome to send me more units. I mean, it was very fast shipping. Listen, Miss Love Me Bob is going to get 5Ks from KK today. Okay, let me turn around so you guys can see the back of the unit. Now, they gave me this little clip to put on. Let me see what it looks like. It's not my thing, but let me see what it's looking like with this little clip. Let's see. Okay, so that's what the clip is looking like. It says Love Me Hair. It's cute, but yeah, it's not something that, you know, I'm just gonna wear. And y'all know I love to play in my hair, and I just been playing in it because it feels so good. It's so natural. No shedding, no tangling, just It's really, 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 really nice. I really, really love this unit. And don't forget, y'all have that discount code KK20. So whatever you decide to get off the website is 20% off. You can't beat that. If you all go to Love Me Hair and buy a unit, make sure that you use my code KK20. If you use my code, leave me a comment below. Let me know you use my code and what unit that you received. I would love to know. But listen, get that 20% off. Okay, girl, get that 20%. Well, that's all I have for today's unit, guys. You already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be ask, believe, and receive. Ask for what you want, believe that you already have it, and sit back and wait to receive it. Until I see you all again, my KKs, have a blessed week.